Now, one of the main things you will need is a solicitor who will handle the beginning to end of purchasing the property. Now, there is an upfront fee for your disbursements, which covers things like land registry, local authority searches, checking that the people who are selling the house are actually the owners of the house, and various other little bits and bobs. The remainder of the solicitor's fees are paid on completion. Completion is the day that you move into the house. You'll need to consider valuations or surveys. Valuation is purely for mortgage purposes, i.e. the bank's surveyor will go into the house and say, yes, for example, it is worth 200,000, i.e. the purchase price of the property. The next level up that you can have is a homebuyers survey, which gives you as the purchaser more security, because then they're going to look for immediate defects and look for things that you need to be concerned about as a buyer. And the third one is a full structural survey, where literally they go through every nook and cranny, they get up in the loft, they're looking for issues, and with both the home buyers and the full structural, you get quite a comprehensive report of things that you might need to be aware of. Now, we've done a blog relating to this, which we'll post in the link below, that explains way more detail to help you out in relation to valuations and surveys. The other fee you need to consider is lender's arrangement fees. Now, depending on the interest rate that you're looking for and depending on the lender that you go to, they want to charge something like an arrangement fee or a booking fee. So that's just part of the advice process. When you speak to an advisor, they'll advise you and talk to you about the interest rates that are available, whether that has a booking fee or an arrangement fee, and whether that would be applicable. But that's just something you might want to factor into your fees and your costs. Again, if you want to look at all those fees and costs and work out how much it's going to cost for you to buy a property, then that's something that we can do for you. Most independent brokers do charge broker fees. So just another thing that you might want to factor in. But again, if you want to get an idea of how much it costs for you to buy a property, get in contact. More than happy to help. Thanks very much indeed.